Those who stand on tiptoes do not stand firmly. Those who rush ahead don't get very far. Those who try to outshine others dim their own light. Lao Tzu. How can progress occur if we abandon efforts to improve? This question sets the stage for exploring the paradox of human endeavors and the quest for improvement. Many expend futile efforts attempting to enhance their lives, pursuing knowledge and external goals, leading to questionable outcomes. These pursuits often result in physical exhaustion and mental strain. Taoists observe humans acting counterproductively, attempting to alter the natural order and inadvertently worsening situations through strivings, rules, ethics, and values. Despite being created for the benefit of humanity, Taoist sages advocate discarding man-made ideas, arguing that they distance us from the natural flow of life. Trying to alter nature is likened to swimming against the stream, an exhausting and fruitless endeavor that moves us further from nature's intentions. The video's core message is introduced, a plea to refrain from attempting to change the world in order to gain it. The Tao, an undefinable force behind the ever-changing universe, is introduced. It transcends human senses, symbolizing the difficulty of comprehending elements beyond understanding. Humans' tragic attempts to conceptualize the incomprehensible lead to deception, using names, categories, and discernment to make life understandable, but resulting in losing touch with the Tao. Lao Tzu's perspective, expressed in the Tao Te Ching, emphasizes how arranging colors, notes, and flavors may enhance understanding but also imposes limitations on true comprehension. Human tendencies to establish rock-solid rules for control limit adaptability in an ever-changing world, hindering the effectiveness of these constructs over time. Out of a sense of solidarity and justice, people create extensive bodies of ethics, moral codes, and rituals. Despite good intentions, these efforts inadvertently construct artificial ways of life resembling self-imposed prisons. The discussion shifts to the term trying, exploring the idea that acting instead of trying is closely related to the flow state and the concept of Wu Wei. The flow state and Wu Wei, translated as effortless action, are introduced. Doing nothing is discussed within the context of the video, emphasizing its alignment with the natural progression of life. The misconception of doing nothing as unproductive is challenged by Taoist philosophy, emphasizing the continuous progression inherent in the universe's natural flow. Contrasting forceful methods prevalent in today's culture, the suggestion is made to navigate through life more easily by employing intelligence rather than exhaustive efforts. Wasting time trying to improve things is criticized for distancing individuals from the natural course and promoting unnatural actions that waste body and mind. The root cause of futile efforts is explored, connecting it to how individuals attribute value to certain things and the desire to conform based on societal belief systems. Efforts to better the world are questioned, highlighting the questionable outcomes of interventions in the pursuit of societal improvement. The transition is made to applying ancient Taoist theories in the modern world, examining how modern humans unknowingly engage in futile efforts. Examples from the Tao Te Ching and the Zhuangzi are explored to illustrate modern attempts at improvement and change. Alan Watts' observation on societal troublemakers, often disruptors of the natural course, is presented. Examples like communism are discussed, emphasizing the brutality in spreading ideologies. A story from the Zhuangzi narrates Yan Hui's attempt to improve the country of Wei. Confucius discourages this endeavor, citing the ineffectiveness of outsiders imposing their views on others. Confucius' perspective on using others' faults to parade moral superiority is shared, underlining the divisive and ineffective nature of such approaches. Lao Tzu's warning against attempting to control and rule the world is quoted, reinforcing the Taoist belief that such attempts worsen the situation. The focus shifts to the second futile pursuit, trying to be happy. The commonality of seeking happiness in wealth, status, and achievements is explored. The misconception that wealth, eminence, and a good name bring happiness is challenged. The pursuit often results in exhausting the body and mind without achieving genuine happiness. The bitter consequences of relentlessly chasing societal norms of happiness are highlighted, emphasizing the toll it takes on individuals and the superficiality of wealth accumulation. The Taoists propose alternatives to the futile pursuit of happiness, suggesting a departure from conventional paths and exploring a more content and fulfilling approach. The third futile pursuit involves attempting to be something else, conforming to societal standards that dictate beauty and acceptability. The story from the Zhuangzi about animals and the wind highlights nature's unique attributes, emphasizing that judgment, rather than inherent value, creates distinctions. The inclination to change oneself to conform to man-made standards is criticized, and the negative consequences of altering natural attributes are discussed. Efforts to change one's nature disrupt the natural balance, creating disharmony in the world, as illustrated by Lao Tzu's perspective. Transitioning to practical suggestions from Taoist philosophy, The Zhuangzi's emphasis on the middle path is introduced as a means to maintain balance and conserve health. Following the constant Tao is advocated as a way to stay centered, conserve energy, and lead a balanced life, according to the Zhuangzi. The Taoist principle of unlearning and embracing the Tao daily is presented as a path to true understanding and contentment. Encouraging the release of knowledge and embracing inner stillness, the paragraph explains how this state opens individuals to the Tao or a higher power. The Taoists refer to the process as the fasting of the heart, where unlearning leads to non-action, emphasizing the art of not trying while allowing the natural order to unfold. The script concludes with gratitude for watching, summarizing the Taoist approach of non-action, where nothing is left undone and contentment is found in embracing the natural flow of life.